In this video, I'm going to show you how to add floor in Revit. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the correct level. So to do this, you want to go to Project Browser over here on the left, and you want to double click on the floor plan level where you want to place the floor. So you want to go to over here under floor plans, and then you want to basically just go to the one you want. So I'm going to go to L1 over here, which is going to be our level 1. And then when you're in here, you want to access the floor tool. So to do this, you want to go to the top over here where it says architecture. You want to click on it, and then from here there's a bunch of things. You can see you have floor, so you want to click on the drop down menu, and from here you have a bunch of different ones, and the one we're going to be picking right now is going to be the floor architectural. Okay, so this one, so I'm going to click on it over here, and then from here you have to basically choose the floor type. So as you can see on the left here, you have kind of the properties. There's a bunch of different things. You can change this if you want to. I'll just leave it like it is right now. I won't actually kind of complicate this. I'll leave it as generic over here, and of course, if you want to, you can change it, completely up to you. Then here you'll have to now draw the boundary. So to draw the boundary, you're going to have to use this tool up top, which is called the draw, and you want to go and select however you want to do this. Okay, so you can use lines, you can use things like rectangles or arcs or whatever. I'm going to just use this rectangle over here, and I'm actually going to go over here, and then I'm going to click and drag, and I'm going to drag the floor out to over here. Okay, so that's going to be our floor. It's super simple. Just make sure your sketch forms a complete closed loop with no overlapping lines or gaps. Okay, otherwise this will not actually be perfect. If you make a mistake, just go ahead and correct it. Okay, like this, I'm gonna go over and it's going to go over. Okay, now whenever you're done, you want to click on this check mark at the top to actually finish the edit mode. And right now, as you can see, I made some overlapping lines, the exact thing I told you shouldn't do. So I'll actually just redo this. I'm gonna click on here and then down here, and there we go. And then you click on the check mark, and there we go. You've successfully made the floor. Okay, as you can see, the edit mode is now finished, and basically we have created the floor in here. So that's really all you have to do. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.